Hello traders, this is Umar with you and I hope you are all doing great. So today is a very important day. As I told you yesterday, today at around 11:30 p.m. India time, US Federal Reserve is going to come out with increase in interest rate. Now there are two things in this one. First thing is how much they are going to increase the interest rate. Second thing is the not RBI, Federal Reserve Chairman's speech after the interest rate. Whether he is going to be hawkish or dovish, we really don't know. That comment would be really important for us or for the whole world, right? So everybody is following the mother market, which is the US market. Now we don't know whether it is going to be 50 basis point increase or 75 basis point increase or more than 75 point increase. We really don't know, but market participants are anticipating a 75 basis point increase in interest rate. We will have to wait and see how things pan out, and tomorrow's our fate, Nifty, whether it is going to break 15,700, whether it is going to go on the upside or it is going to come on the downside. Either way, it is going to make big moves. We really don't know which way it is going to go, right? And if you see for the last two or three trading session, in spite of market not moving anywhere, I'll just show you the open interest. So this is the open interest, and look at the option premium pricing in put options. Even 15,300, it is in the prices have spiked. Premium prices have spiked, and tomorrow is an expiry and Nifty hasn't moved at all. It was in a range of 100, 150 points, 200 points only, right? So that is the amount of course, there are many factors when it comes to option premium. And last 5 or 10 minutes, there was an increase in India VIX shot up more than 22, and if you know that that FIIs are around 89% short in indices. So looking at all these things, my personal opinion is that markets may go down. So that is what smart money is doing. They are shorting the market, and I could go wrong. I've gone wrong many times, and tomorrow also I could go wrong. But this time if I go wrong, it doesn't matter because I don't have any positions at all. I told everyone yesterday also, today also in our Telegram group I posted not to carry any position because this is not a normal hike in interest rate. So it is better you stay away from the market. That is the best thing we can do, and that is the best strategy which is working. So I'm not trading since Monday. So last position in all our accounts, last position I held was on Monday. So Monday there was a gap down, that too very light position. I squared off all the position, and I can tell you, I am peaceful. Right now I am peaceful, and in fact today night I have booked a ticket for a Tamil movie called Vikram. So I have planned to go for a movie tonight. Even though we are going to movie, there also what you think I am going to do? I will not watch the movie. I will just see the SGX Nifty. So anyway, that is in our blood, right? We cannot, as a trader, it is like I am used to it. Every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I am seeing what is happening in US markets and SGX Nifty. And talking about the US market, if you see the US futures, as I talk to you, even US futures are it is very super volatile. Even US futures are super volatile today, and what we can say is there is a decrease in India S&P VIX 500. That is because of obvious reasons. And when our markets were closing, it was around 150 points. Now it is up by 200 points. I'm talking about Dow Jones, right? So it's very volatile. And if you see our big brothers, FIIs, as usual, they have sold for around 3,531 crores. And I'm sure this month alone they would have sold more than around 42,000 crores till date, and markets are likely to break. Tomorrow's price action will be dictated by today's price action in the US market, right? So as I told you, I anticipate a down. I anticipate market may go down only. So looking at the, even if there is any recovery, that recovery will be sold into. And actually, if there is any recovery, we are just giving opportunities to institutions to short the market. So that is what I believe, and I don't think markets are going to go and touch 18,600 or 20,000. No time soon it is going to happen. And many people say that I am talking negative. I am not talking negative. I am just telling you the fact. Okay. Whether you take it in a positive way or negative way is not my problem. Okay. I am not talking negative. I'm just telling you the fact what is happening around the market, and no point in blaming you also, because armature traders know, they act like that. They think market will always give money and market wants to go on the upside, but markets work on cyclicals, right? So we have to go through all these kind of things. There is no way market will keep on going up, and I've been telling this for a very, very long time. And many people anticipated market will even touch 50,000, 60,000 and all Nifty. Where it will touch? I don't think so. Maybe my children or grandson will see 50,000 or 60,000 in Nifty, right? So anyway, don't take it seriously. I'm just joking. And apart from that, if you see the open interest, there is good amount of call writing in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. So people are writing today's price action. If you see, people have written around good numbers of 16,000 call option, and 16,000 is acting as a very strong resistance for now. And literally there was no put writing at all. So all these things, if you can see, all these things, markets put premium are increasing drastically. Then FIIs are around 89% short in the market. Then if you see the call option writing, aggressive call option writing is happening between 16,000 15,900 to all the way to 16,200. So all these things say that markets are likely to go on the downside. And if you see the Bank Nifty is mixed, and I think around 34,000 is going to be the resistance and 33,000 is going to be the support. Anyway, just one more trading session, not even one more trading session. Today night we will see how things are going to span out. I am sure many of my followers have squared off the position. And even if you carry position, I hope you have hedged that positions properly. So in case there is any gap down or in case there is any gap up, you can protect yourself from the damage which this gap up and gap downs are going to make. If there is any gap up, still markets will move violently, because there will be short covering rally. And if there is any gap down, maybe it will it will try to touch 15,700. Anyway, lowest made was, if you see Nifty or Bank Nifty, not Nifty or Bank Nifty, I will say, if you see this, if you see this chart, Nifty chart, lowest made was around on 8th of March, low was around 15,671, and today low is around 15,679, just 10 points away. So that also will be taken out. And we really don't know what is happening in XGX Nifty. SGX Nifty is down by more than I think 70 or 60 points. So trade safe. I hope you don't have any positions. Let us see how things pan out. It is better to avoid these kind of situations, these kind of binary events in the market. So let's hope for the best. That nothing much. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.